Let's be honest. Job hunting can feel like a second, unpaid job. And the worst part? So much of it is just admin tasks, tailoring, tweaking, researching. It's mentally exhausting. It kind of drains the energy you actually need for the important stuff, you know. Being a brilliant human in an interview. But what if you had an assistant? A faster menu, someone to handle the boring parts. That's what AI can be. Seriously. It's not some scary sci-fi thing. It's just a tool. And today, let's explore how to use AI to cut your workload in half. Think of AI, not as a replacement for you, but as your most efficient intern, one that never sleeps. We're going to put it to work on the 3 most tedious parts of the job hunt. First, we'll use it for market research. This will help you know exactly what skills to highlight, phrases to use, and so forth. Second, we'll use AI for tailoring your application so you're not starting from scratch every single time. And finally, we'll explore how to use AI for interview prep so you can walk in feeling ready for anything. This is about working smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. First, we'll use it for market research. You know exactly what skills to highlight. All right, first up, before you even apply, you need intel. You need to know what the market really wants. And instead of spending hours scrolling through random job posts, you can just ask. Here's what I mean. Open up your AI tool of choice. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini. Whatever. And type this in. Feel free to pause and copy this. Act as an expert career coach. I am at your role. For example, marketing manager in your city. For example, New York. Analyze the current job market trends for this role in my city and list the top 5 most in-demand skills, just like that. In seconds, you'll get a curated list. It's like having a scout who's read every single job description for you. Now you know exactly what to feature on your CV and LinkedIn. It's a total game changer. And now, the second part. The part most people dread, the application and cover letter. Staring at a blank page, trying to sound passionate about a company you just learned about an hour ago. Here's where your assistant really comes in. Think about it this way. You're not using AI to write for you. You're using it to translate and structure for you. You're feeding it your resume and the job description and saying, hey, help me connect these dots. See the difference? See the difference? One is generic, the other, it's targeted. It uses their language, and you can generate a solid first draft in under a minute. Use this prompt. Start. Here is the job description. Paste the full JD. Here is my resume. Paste your resume. Now, draft a compelling 150-word cover letter that aligns my experience with their key requirements. Pause here to copy the full prompt. And just like that, you have a draft cover letter. The key here is to edit. Never, ever just copy and paste. Read it? Tweak it? Add a personal story, your voice, tone, and your style. Your voice, your humanity. That's what gets you hired. The AI just gives you a huge head start. Now, I've got a question for you. Be honest. Which of these sounds like the biggest time saver for you right now? Let me know in the comments. And because this can feel a little new, I've put together a free cheat sheet with all these prompts plus a few more advanced ones, so you can just copy and paste them. Comment below for your free prompt sheet. I'll send it to you. It'll save you a ton of time. Okay, back to the last stand. Maybe the coolest part. Finally, let's talk about the interview. The anxiety, the pressure. Wouldn't it be amazing to practice without the judgment? To have a patient coach who can run drills with you anytime, day or night? Guess what? Now you can. This one feels like magic. You can literally roleplay with AI. And it's kind of incredible. Start with this prompt to generate the questions. Generate a list of 10 interview questions for the JD I shared. Have you got your list? Great. Now, for the real magic. Remember, you're having a conversation with AI. So, follow up with this prompt. Now, Act as the interviewer. I will practice my answers to these questions. After each one, provide constructive feedback on my response. Tell me what was strong and areas to improve on, and that's it. Now, you just talk to the AI. Type your answers. It'll give you feedback. It helps you structure your thoughts, find your key stories, and calm those nerves. It's a confidence machine. So, there you have it. Your new 24-hour team. A researcher, a writer, and a coach, all powered by AI. But you have to remember, and this is really important, AI is the spice, not the meal. Your personality, your specific stories, your authentic enthusiasm, that's the main course. That's what people connect with. Use AI to get 80% of the way there, then you come in and add the final 20% that is uniquely, wonderfully you. That's your ultimate advantage. Your job hunt doesn't have to be a solo grind. You've got a great assistant now. And don't forget to subscribe and comment prompts below for that free sheet of AI prompts. It'll make this so easy. Subscribe, like, and share if you found this helpful.